Okay guys, today I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to do CPA marketing content blocking. It is literally all done for you. So if you're a beginner, this might be a good method for you to try. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to go on a website called tryinteract.com, and here you can see create interactive quizzes that generate leads and sell products. So basically these guys here will create converting quizzes for you, so you don't need any HTML knowledge, any programming knowledge or anything like that. You don't even need a hosting. These guys will do everything for you totally free. So first you need to do, you need to create a free account. Just click here, start your free trial, and you can create your free account. Okay, after that you need to log in, and this is how your dashboard will look. What you need to do, you need to click here on create a new quiz. Okay, and here on the left side you need to choose your category. So let's just say that I'm in workout category. So what I need to do, I need to click here on nutrition and fitness, and now they will actually give me, as you can see here, templates for my quizzes. You can create your own quiz from scratch if you want, but it is easier to actually use one of their templates. And as you can see, they have lots of templates here available. So all you have to do, for example, let's just say I wish to use this template here, just click here on use template, okay? And give it a few seconds to actually create this quiz for you. So here you can see how this actually looks. This is your quiz, and you can edit and customize everything here. So for example, here on the left side, when I click here on questions, here I can see all the questions available, and you can edit these questions. So for example, when I click here on this question, here you can see I can actually hide this image. I can also delete this image, but I can also change this image here, okay? Use image answer, okay? You can even add that. You can edit these questions, just click here, and now you can add your own question, or you can simply delete what you actually see here. You can edit literally everything here. And also, if you wish to delete one of these questions, just click here on this little gear icon, just click here, and now you can remove a question. Also, you can click here on add a new question, and you can add a new question. Here you can see there is lots and lots of available options. So you're probably thinking right now, well, I don't know how to make quizzes, especially not in workout niche. So how do I actually do that? Well, what you can do is you can simply go on ChatGPT, and here you can simply search for quiz. For example, okay, quiz, and here you can see create a quiz. So let me just find one. Okay, quiz generator. Here I will choose on quiz generator. Here you need to choose a language. I will stick with the English. And here all you have to do is just type your main keyword. In this case, it is a workout. So workout. Okay, workout, and press enter. And now ChatGPT will create questions and answers for your workout quiz. So literally all you have to do is just copy. Okay, here you can see round 1, and all you have to do is just copy this and go back on Try Interact, and you can add those questions here. This is your question. You can edit this question, you can edit these images, and you can edit these possible answers, okay? And after you do all of that, after you finish everything, what you actually need to do, you need to start promoting your CPA offers. But how do you do that? Well, actually, you need to go here on results. And here you can see result. Here you can see they actually created a generic result for you. So you don't have to do this. Again, you can simply go back here on ChatGPT, and you can ask it to give you generic results for your quiz. But you don't really need to do that. Like I said, you can use one of theirs, okay? So here you can see snag a free copy, okay? So what we need to do, we actually need to give them something valuable, something related to workout in this niche. Of course, it will be something others in your own niche that you actually have chosen. So I will actually offer them a free ebook that they can download for free. So for that, I need to go on PDF drive, and here I will simply search workout, okay, and press enter. And now here I can find workout related ebooks that people can download for free. So for example, let's just say this second one. All I have to do is just click here on this ebook, and here you can see there is a big blue download button. People can download this totally free. Here you can see 42,000 downloads, which means this is actually a good ebook. So I'm giving them something valuable. So what I need to do, I need to copy a link to this ebook here, and now I need to go on my CPA affiliate network. You can use any CPA affiliate network that has a content locker. I will use, for the purpose of this video, Cpagrip. Click here on create a new URL locker. Agree to the terms of condition, click here on continue, and now I will choose template. I will choose human verification. That gave me the best results, but you can use any other. And then I will go back here on general. You can change these things here if you want. You don't really need to do that, but this is really important here where it says locked URL. Here we need to add a link to our PDF drive ebook. That is really, really important. And after you do that, like I said, you can play with all of these things here. You don't really need to change anything, but you can if you want. After you finish everything, all you have to do is just click here on save, and that's it. You created your content locker. So when I click here on get link, this is my link here. All I have to do is just copy that, and then I need to go back here on try interact, and I need to actually highlight all of this, and then click here on this little chain and add that here. Click here on save, and that's it. I added my content locker, and I need to do that to all of these 3 points. I need to add my content locker on all of these 3 points. Of course, you can offer different ebooks for each of these points, or you can simply offer one same ebook. And after you finish everything, all you have to do here in upper right corner, just click here on publish, and that's it. You will publish your quiz. Here, just click here, publish as it is, okay? Publish as it is, and that's it. You published your quiz, and this is the link to your quiz. All you have to do is just click here on copy and copy this link. That is it. That is literally it. Just paste it here in Notepad because you are going to need that link. So all you have to do now is just start promoting this link here wherever you can. You can go on Facebook and find, in this case, workout related Facebook groups where you can promote your quiz. People like quizzes. They convert really, really well. Guys, trust me, this actually works. I tested it and it really does work. You can also promote it on Twitter. You can promote it on Tumblr. Also, this works really, really well on Tumblr as well. You can promote it on Instagram. You can also promote it on related forums. You can promote it on TikTok. You can promote it on related blogs, on Quora, wherever you can. Just start promoting this quiz that you created in Try Interact. And trust me, guys, you will start converting people. You will start making money with CPA Marketing Content Locker. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.